Back to back with the video. So today I actually teamed up with Annabelle here to review some of their kinky curly hair. I will leave all of the links down in the description box below. As you can see, I'm starting off with some freshly washed hair. Actually, it was more so just deep condition. I don't even think I did a serious wash. But if you guys are new to my channel, do not be surprised by the health or the look of my freaking hair. Like, this has caused, like, obviously controversy on my channel. I have so many different textures going on. I have heat damage, some heat damage, no heat damage. Yeah, just a lot going on. To be honest, I plan to cut my hair when I turn 25, which is in another year, regretfully. But yeah, so we'll just see. I mean, as of right now, it's still growing out. This is what it's looking like. It's a decent length. But if you guys have not already figured it out, yeah, the sides of my hair, actually, they grow a little bit wavy slash straight. So that's just been what it is since the beginning. So I'm very curious to see what my hair is going to look like when I do this big chop. I mean, more than likely it'll still be this way regardless, because yeah, I'm one of those people that just, I feel comfortable doing my hair. It doesn't matter if it's damaged or not, to be honest. Like, more than likely I'm still gonna put heat to it, I'm still gonna straighten it, I'm still gonna do random stuff to my hair. Like, that's evident, but whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with a coconut oil. Clearly y'all in my feelings about that, but yeah, so I'm gonna put that all throughout my hair, and I use it pretty generously. I did go ahead and shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, it was a light shampoo, but I did go ahead and use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I'll leave that links down below if you need to see that. I'm going to be doing about 4 big chunky braids in my hair, and then add a little bit of extensions to it. So I'm just starting by parting the hair straight down the middle. I like to use a ragtail comb, that, you know, the metal ones, because it tends to just part a little bit straighter and it's a lot cleaner of a line. Makes it a little bit easier if you guys are not really that great at parting, but yeah. So I go ahead and section my hair off into 2 different sections, start from the middle, and then I'm going to take this middle area and go ahead and literally part that into 2. So yeah, me and my hair, I don't know what's going on. Like, to be honest, my hair has never been like the best texture. I'm just really good at manipulation, so that's pretty much it. I don't live up to the stereotypes of, okay, you should have 3B 3C hair. Like, forget about it. Just learn to manipulate and you will be okay. So anyway, I'm gonna be using the edge control, argan oil edge control, actually, and I mixed 2 this time. So I did go ahead and use the Gotta Be Glue edge control, which I mentioned in my previous video. If you need to see that, definitely take a look. But it's a new edge control. I'll link it down below as well. And then, of course, my Cream of Nature edge control, which is the extra strength one. Mixing those 2 just to make sure that these braids last for a couple of days. Yeah, and then right after that, of course, I'll take them out or probably keep them in and just wear wigs. Like, I don't know, but anyway, so I'm just slowly going through my hair. It's very thick, so because my hair was really damp, that towel that I'm using is actually one of those like turban towels, so it came really very much so in handy. I think I got it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx for probably about $10. I think I got 2 different towels, and they really dry your hair without leaving it feeling, I don't know, just kind of dried out. So anyway, just something really new. As you guys can see, my braid comes out really thick. I did go back to texturizing my edges, or just the front of my hair anyway. So yeah, I probably won't ever stop doing that. Even when I do this big chop, I don't know. So it's kind of like, what's the point in the big chop? I really don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure how I'm feeling. Definitely let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I kind of did a little poll on Instagram, and everybody's like, don't do like a big chop. Like, there's no point. And then some people are like, yeah, go ahead and do it. But I feel like I'll get right back to the same spot. So who knows? But anyway, so I go ahead and just kind of brush the edge control throughout my hair after just literally putting it around the base of where I'm going to be braiding, just so that everything is smooth. And like I said, the towel did dry my hair quite a bit. So as you can see, I don't really get a lot of shrinkage. I mean, it'll shrink up, but because my texture is just kind of like literally all over the place naturally, by the time I let it dry, I can literally stretch my hair out, which you'll kind of see a little bit later on in this video as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much finish off the braids. As you can see, I have 2 done. Very chunky, nothing too crazy. And I'm not doing like feed-in braids or anything because it was uncalled for. I'm just going to be adding wefted hair to the very ends of these. So like I said, definitely use that I can't get it out. Ragtail comb for parting. And I did use that in combination with 2 mirrors just to make sure that everything was aligned properly. So yeah, don't be worried or don't be scared to kind of just do what you have to do. And then, of course, once you kind of get that section out, as you can see, my twists are really chunky, or this one twist is really chunky. But I did go ahead and get my hair actually trimmed maybe about a month or two ago. I think it was about 2 months ago. And I'm going to be going again to actually get my hair pressed out and then trimmed. So my whole goal is to see how long my hair is going to get before 25 and then just go from there. But I'm really, really lost on if I should cut. It's like to cut or not to cut. Just because I know that my textures are crazy. Like, it's not just me, it runs in the family, so I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see. I'm just going to continue to braid this. Like I said, my hair actually felt really, really good. The health of it, as far as like no damaged ends or anything like that, I'm not going to say that it's amazing, clearly, because I have the heat damage, but definitely I know that it's even. It's just that when it's wet, it's different lengths, so that's okay. But no worries there. And as you can see, going through the bulk of my hair, especially down the middle, was very, very hard. So this is probably why my arms are so strong. Y'all always asking me, like, do you work out? I do not work out. I probably need to. But yeah, no, my arms are just like, I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I've been doing hair for so long. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But anyway, once you get down this braid, I'll pretty much secure everything on the later end of this, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the braids, and I'll be right back. Alright, so once I finish that one, as you can see, I'm down to the last braid, and so remember I was telling you that I can literally stretch my hair out in no time. As you can see, that's literally what I mean, especially because the sides of my hair already grow wavy, so it's very interesting. Like, the quicker that it dries, it literally will dry straight, which is crazy from root to tip. But but yeah, I'm still using that edge control, and this really just helps manage my hair with me texturizing those edges. It just makes everything a lot easier, especially because I'm wearing a lot of weaves, wigs, and protective styles. I'm saying protective styles, but it's really just to grow out my hair. I'm not really worried about the curl pattern because I don't plan on doing wash and goes or anything like that, but for the sake of growth and retention, that's why I've been doing so many protective styles, and I'll definitely keep this going throughout the summer. I'm going to be doing a updated box braid video, also a lock tutorial, and just a couple of other videos to really kind of show you how to manipulate your hair. So if you have any special requests, definitely leave those down in the description box, not in the description box, in the comment section, so that I'm aware of what it is that you guys would like to see. Yeah, and we'll pretty much just go from there. So now that I have the hair pretty much all braided, as you can see, any spots that are still a little bit frizzy, I just literally put some edge control back over the top of that and kept it moving. And then I used my Cream of Nature little spray just to kind of give me a little bit more sheen and shine, as you can see. And here's the hair. So the kinky curly hair, I got 4 bundles of their 20-inch. I actually only ended up using 1 bundle. So I'm thinking that I'm actually going to go ahead and put this hair on like a U-part wig or something like that, but we'll see. But for now, for this video, I'm pretty much just going to take 2 braids and tie those together, put in a little ponytail, and I'm going to cut the tracks in half so that I can get the most out of the hair. And especially because it's kinky curly, a little goes a long way. So yeah, you'll kind of see how this goes. So if you have not seen me wrap hair around a ponytail, as you know, I do not use like a bobby pin or anything to kind of pin it down. I use the track itself to secure the hair. So I take the very end of the track, wrap it around the base of my ponytail until there's no more hair to wrap, and then I'll start to wrap the track around it. That just provides for some security. You can pull it as tight or loose as you want to. Remember, it is the nape of your neck and it is in a ponytail, so it can get really tight or tighter than you probably anticipated by the end of the, the style. So just be careful with that. And yeah, to secure the other end, I did the same thing that I did in the beginning. Just took the very end of the track and literally wrapped it around the ponytail. So that was pretty much it. And if you want to secure it with a hairpin, you can, but it's like no big deal if you don't. It's literally not going anywhere. And this is just a double take ×2, so you get an idea of exactly what it is that I did. So it's very, very simple. I didn't feel the need to put my little braids in like a ponytail or anything because, like I said, it's kinky curly hair. So by the time I like brushed this out, you would have never even known that my braids were exposed. So no big deal, but it's totally up to you if you want to hide them or not. I have plenty of videos to show you how to kind of keep those ponytails hidden. So yep. So I did not like the way that it looks, just kind of fresh out of the pack looking, like a ramen noodles almost, I don't know. But anyway, so I took a paddle brush just to really blow that out, not even blow out, but brush it out to make it very messy and all over the place. I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing those videos or photos on Instagram of the girls with, like, I think she had 2 braids. It may have been 4, I'm not sure, with the curly hair. But yeah, so this is kind of like a mock of that, but this won't be the final style. So just a quick look at the back. As you can see, it looks really cute. I could have probably made the ponytails a little bit more uniform at the base, but like I said, this was not the final style, so no worries. And yeah, so I'm just actually going to make these into 2 little buns. I'm just going to wrap it around in a very messy way. Just whatever I need to do to kind of get it in place. Just 2 little balls, and then I'm going to secure that with a ponytail holder. And yeah, just like I would if I was putting my natural hair into a little bun, just to keep it going. So I'm going to do that on both sides. And once I have it secure, I think I did end up using a hairpin for like any flyaway hairs that were just kind of in an awkward position, or if it was not laying down properly. But yeah, for the most part, it worked out really easy. This will be really simple for you guys that are just needing something to kind of get you through the week. And so I actually added on these cute little clamps that, of course, people use it for their braids and things like that, but I got them from the beauty supply store. They have so many different styles now that it's ridiculous. But I just randomly took about 4 or 5 on my braids just to kind of jazz it up and give it a little bit more life and creativity. So that was that. They don't cause like any tension on your hair or anything, so don't be worried about it. And yeah, this is pretty much the final style, guys. I really enjoyed this, and it did not take me long at all. As you can see, the 2 balls are just keeping everything tucked away, and literally all I would have to do is just tie it down with a scarf, and I'm pretty much all set. So definitely leave any comments or questions below. Thank you so much, Annabelle, for sending me the hair, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Thinking I'm gonna do like a flip over wig or something. But bye guys, love you.